Today we're going to be opening a Barbie Color Reveal.
And we have some water to the side here if you guys...
Okay, Sky, let's just start opening.
Yeah.
It's Sky. No, okay.
Stop.
You could just open it.
Yeah.
There's an easier way to do it. Favorite part.
Oh. Paper. Yeah, that was fun.
Now I'll start opening. Oh, this is hard. Okay. I got it. You want me to do it for you?
No, thanks.
Let's open our... Okay. Oh.
I feel the head. I feel this heady.
Okay, we'll open all the accessories.
Oh, her head's squishy. Her head's squishy, Haley. Her head's squishy. Her head's squishy. Let's open her squishy head
after.
How about let's open her squishy head
out.
first. Let's open her squishy head first.
Okay.
Well, I call it squishy head because it's squishy.
What's your doll gonna be named?
I have no idea.
They can be best friends.
Ooh, yeah, you're right. They can be best friends. Wait, where did I open it at?
Oh. We just gotta reveal her body.
Oh my gosh. She looks so weird.
What was I doing? Okay.
Ooh! Look at mine, Haley.
Nice.
Look at mine. I see. She's my favorite color, pink. And it's my favorite
I
color.
don't get this.
Haley,
I really don't get this.
Haley, this is my favorite color, pink, and that's your favorite color, blue.
Yeah, but I
We're
don't
so
get
lucky.
this. Well, I get this because this is wider, this is taller. So, basically the same. Ready? Make sure you don't spill. Sky!
Oh,
paper.
Oh no.
Waterproof.
It's okay.
paper.
Waterproof. It's waterproof, you guys.
Ready? Get in.
It's okay.
Jump in, friends.
It's not even changed.
She's gonna change in just a few minutes. See, look it. She's already changing.
Mine's changing. Ooh, the water's turning pink.
Ew, this is gross.
Oh, mine's have a blue baby
I don't really like what's
Barbie
it called?
color
Barbie
reveals?
color reveals because they're a bit messy.
Yeah, because they get pink and then it gets all over your hand. And then, oh my gosh, oh look.
I need to mess.
She has sparkly on her shirt.
Oh, look at her. Wait, do we have the same bathing suits?
Wait. Yes. No.
Maybe so.
We kind of.
Are my legs supposed to be red?
Mm-hmm.
They're supposed to be red.
Look at mine. Mine are blue. Mine are sick.
Finish it, Sky.
Mine are sick. I'm sick. Haley, you're sick. You're ill. You're ill. Haley, you're ill.
Okay, I'm just gonna put her in here to dry.
Good one.
Water
Good one.
And we're gonna pour all this in the sink.
Oh,
Can I pour all this into the sink?
You don't want to just put the other ones in there first?
Okay.
Waterproof paper.
What else do you have? Do you guys have other stuff?
Guys, sir, accessories. Guys.
Accessories here.
Guys, these are... Sky, get your accessories. Okay, but these are waterproof papers. I'm going to open this. Skinny
Okay,
one.
I'm gonna open the sink.
Why is there a long little piece here?
Gotta open it and find out.
Oh, it's the
Everyone's
Barbie
waiting.
red balloon.
It's so cute.
Oh,
Let's see what color hers is.
mine's going to be pink. I just know it. Pink is my favorite color. Pinky.
Is there anything inside of that?
It's
Or?
pink. There's nothing.
Oh, show it. Show
My
you.
Sky, can I pick
Can you
this
show
one?
it? Can you show what you have?
I got a pink balloon.
We're
which is
gonna open
my
two of these
color.
two at the same time.
These two. Oh man, I want this.
These two. These are out.
How about we just do this big one first? Okay. Oh. Ooh, her skirt.
Can you show it?
That looks so weird, Haley. Mine's more technical.
It's not a hat.
Mine is technical.
Open the other stuff first.
Yeah, we need to let her dry
Open
more.
these two.
She's too wet.
I'm gonna open these two at the same time.
Wait, my hands are all wet. Okay. Don't open that yet. Opening her shoes first. Ooh, she has pretty shoes.
Oh, I dropped a shoe.
Oh. Is my Barbie okay?
I don't know.
Is she
I think
okay?
she's fine.
Talk if you're okay. Talk. Okay, she's okay. Okay, my Barbie is still alive, you guys.
Okay. My Barbie's.
She got sunglasses.
What else she got?
Oh,
Sunglasses.
my Barbie's really bright.
No, it's a tiara. She got tiara.
Oh, nice.
Oh, mine
Would
goes.
you? Oh, yours got a big tiara.
No, it's not a tiara.
That's
it's
a bow.
It's a bow.
Oh, it's a bow.
I'm the princess and you're not.
She is definitely still wet, so
Nice.
we're gonna dry them out.
Okay, we'll dry
Okay,
them out.
I'm done. Bye.
I'm not.
Okay, guys, it's the end of the video. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you turn on the notifications.
I'm not done yet.
Give it one subscribe, and make sure you go to
Wait.
check out our.
Give it
other
one
channel.
subscribe, turn the notifications up.
And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
And on Tony's channel, which is our dad. Bye. And my sisters and mine. Bye. Woo.